Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial, where today we are going to discuss something that you guys have been asking us a lot. You see, some of you have just decided कि आपको law करना है, and you've decided that you want to do it from the top national law universities of our country. You're already aware that there's an entrance examination called the Common Law Admission Test, and of course there's ALET for NLU Delhi. And you also realize that the examination happens in the month of December. The catch is that you haven't started your preparation yet. And the sawal is that if you start in the month of August, will you be able to crack this examination? I will not make it a very flowery answer, but yes, genuinely speaking, yes, you can do it. I'll tell you why. Because this examination is less about ratification, it is less about rote learning, and it is more about application of principles and application of your knowledge and reading stamina and a lot of analytical reasoning. Something that जिसका थोड़ा बच्चा वर्जन यू ऑलरेडी डन इन योर स्कूल्स. यू सी रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तो सबको ही आती है. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में पैसेज आता है, 4 ऑप्शंस आ जाते हैं जिसमें से एक यू हैव टू फिगर आउट. येस, ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सम टेक्निकलिटीज दैट यू विल हैव टू गेट इनटू, बट इट्स बेसिकली दैट. कभी कभार वो जो पैसेज होता है उसको हम इंफॉर्मेशन की तरह देखते हैं, उसको इंग्लिश बोल दिया जाता है. उसी अंग्रेजी पैसेज को जब हम आर्ग्यूमेंट की तरह देखते हैं तो उसको क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग बोल दिया जाता है. और उसी पैसेज में थोड़ा लीगल टर्म्स का तड़का लग जाता है तो उसको लीगल रीजनिंग बोल दिया जाता है. These 3 are the pillars of the reading sections in the common law admission test. Yes, there is something called GK, and that is something that you can deal with. It is not a big deal. Trust me on this one, a lot of CLAT 2027 aspirants are still grappling with the fact कि GK कैसे करना है. So in that sense, you're in a similar boat than them, right? Yes, there is a little bit of quantitative ability, which also requires just and only 10वीं कक्षा के mathematical concepts. इसका मतलब ये है that we will be able to do it. Having said that, we can't follow the same pattern or the same kind of strategy that everyone else is utilizing, because, well, the reality is that others have started before. तो आप लोगों की प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सिलेबस कवर करना है. The problem with CLAT 2027 aspirants who will start preparing from the month of June will be that they will be fearful of the fact that they are starting very, very late. If you can get over that and utilize this particular time, I kid you not, this examination is pretty doable. So now, how do we do this, right? ट्रेडिशनली स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, पहले थ्योरी लर्न करते हैं, प्रेमिस क्या होता है, अजम्पशन क्या होता है, कंक्लूजन क्या होता है, रेस इप्सा लिक्विटोर क्या होता है, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ वाइकेरियस लायबिलिटी क्या होता है. मतलब थोड़े बहुत थियोरेटिकल प्रिंसिपल्स के साथ दे गेट अ लिटिल अक्विंटेड, देन दे स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग. आई वांट यू टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग and through practice start understanding theory. And this is not even like great बहुत ज़्यादा थ्योरी. थोड़े थोड़े प्रिंसिपल्स हैं जो कि बहुत ईजिली आपको आपके मेंटर सिखा सकते हैं और आप बहुत ईजिली उनको कर भी सकते हैं, राइट? You don't have to have 10 different books of theoretical principles, and you don't have to maro a ratta. I know that is a sweet spot for like all the bachas of the Indian education system, but over here it's less about ratta and more about practice, right? Beginners spend 90% of their time reading and 10% testing. You need to do like a 50-50%. So 50% of your day would be doing a little bit of theory and a little bit of ratification for GK and current affairs, and the rest of the day has to be only and only dedicated towards practicing questions of different sections. Moving ahead, what is it that we need to do? Firstly, we do not have to waste, I don't know, 1 or 2 or 3 days making a beautiful timetable that we will never follow, right? Let's just jump right into it. Build a high-speed reading reflex from absolute 0 to 2 weeks. Now, in the next 14 days, you will start reading the newspaper. Maybe you will give it like 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes is absolutely okay. You can bump it up to like 40-45 minutes, chalega. Newspaper, maybe you just have to read the front page and you have to read the 4 editorials. And if you cannot make sense out of it, we are already doing a daily newspaper analysis at 7 o'clock in the morning from Monday to Saturday, which is absolutely free of cost, obviously, because it happens on the LPT YouTube channel. Feel free to come and, attend those classes and to try and understand that, it's actually nothing. बहुत बड़ा हुआ है current affairs, बहुत easy चीज़ है, सारे लोग कर सकते हैं. Next, I'd like you to analyze the previous year papers, 3 previous year papers of CLAT. Now, I don't want you to start solving the paper. What I wish for you to do is see the paper and see the kind of questions that are coming. And that's when you'll realize कि boss इतना भी ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. Having said that, reading stamina, reading speed, analytical thinking. This is what you need to work on. And trust me on this one, I mean, this is not, मतलब अगर आप रोज पर रोज अगर इस चीज की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्वेश्चंस अगर निकालेंगे, तो इट्स काफी इजी eventually. But yes, initially you will feel a little weird about it because of the fact that others are doing it pehle se. But if you can just get over that panic and anxiety ki oh my god maine itna late kyun shuru kiya, it can absolutely happen. Trust me on this, I've got plenty of एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो बहुत देर से भी पढ़ाई करते हैं लेकिन उनका नहीं हो पाता नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी में, और ऐसे भी बच्चे हैं जो थोड़ी देर पहले अपनी प्रेपरेशन शुरू करते हैं and they have been able to get to their dream law school. That's only because of the fact that they realized कि ये सवाल किस तरीके के आते हैं. So that is what I'd like you guys to do, to simply understand what are the kind of questions that are coming in your CLAT examination. That will also help you to further solidify your decision whether or not you want to sit for CLAT 2027. Now the biggest thing over here is GK. GK में क्या है ना, sitting in the month of August, I don't want you to do January. And there is a strategy to do GK, and I've made it on the LPT YouTube channel. It's called GK Strategy for CLAT 2027 aspirants, and you'll be able to see that, and kindly just follow that. It'll be absolutely fine for you, right? What do we do for legal now? Now, a lot of people are like, हमारी तो legal studies भी नहीं है, हमें तो legal का कुछ भी नहीं पता. भाई, legal के principles को भी आप अंग्रेजी के तौर पे देखिए. हाँ, उसमें कुछ legal ऐसे terms होते हैं. Although the principle itself is defining what it means, so if you see something called vicarious liability, they will in all probability tell you about an employer-employee relationship and how that relationship is formed, what is course of employment, सब लिखा होगा. लेकिन ब्रेन इज सच कि जैसे ही हम लोग कोई एलियन वर्ड देख लेते हैं ना, हमको डर लगने लग जाता है. सो थ्रू प्रैक्टिस इज हाउ यू लर्न दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स फॉर इंग्लिश, फॉर लीगल एज वेल एज फॉर लॉजिकल. In logical, of course, for critical reasoning. But analytical reasoning is something which requires a little bit of calculation, and that does require a little bit of theory. I will not lie there, and you will have to do that. But the best part is कि theory of AR is not too much. इतना नहीं है कि आपको ज़माने लग जाएंगे उसको समझने के लिए. इतनी सी थ्योरी होती है, उसमें भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करनी होती है. So basically, more practice and less theory is what you have to do. So your weekdays look like 2 hours of time practice. Time practice in the sense like, you see, obviously because you have to do 120 questions in 120 minutes. That basically means you have to divide your time amongst the 5 sections in a way so that maximum productivity हो जाए. तो यूजुअली हम ये बोलते हैं कि इंग्लिश एंड लॉजिकल के लिए 25 मिनट्स ईच एंड 35 to 40 मिनट्स फॉर लीगल. 35 मिनट्स इज लाइक रियली गुड, बट इफ यू कांट, like you can extend it by a minute or so. GK and Quant is usually 10 to 12 minutes because you also need some time to fill in that particular OMR. So your weekdays would be 2 घंटे के लिए आप dedicatedly अपने sectionals करेंगे. Monday को English, Tuesday को legal, Wednesday को logical, so on and so forth, and 1 hour of current GK. How do you do that? A, you read the newspaper. If you're not able to understand, you watch the newspaper analysis, and B, you will need a very good source of CLAT GK compendium, which you will get from the LPT team, and you can see that, you can start learning it. That's important for you. Weekends have to be a mock, and then you will think, अरे mock का क्या मतलब, हमें तो कुछ आता नहीं है. ठीक है, वो मुझे भी पता है तुमको नहीं आता, और तुम्हारा सबसे पहले जब mock करोगे 1-2 तो बहुत ही बेकार आपके स्कोर भी आएंगे. And guess what? सबके आते हैं. Deal with it. Give that mock. Very very essential to be able to understand कि मैंने कौन सा sequence use करना है, कौन सा सेक्शन मेरे को easily आता है, even though I have not done anything. Oh my God, I'm able to do this section. ऐसा भी होगा. And then oh, I thought that this section is really good for me, but this is not really happening. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. And उसी दिन we will do ruthless analysis of that particular thing. Ruthless being the operative word. You don't have time to be wishy-washy with yourself, right? So if at all you are actually interested in CLAT 2027 examination, I suggest before August begins, what you need to do is you need to pick out some mock from wherever you wish to study from. If it is LPT, you have a plethora of resources over here. In fact, on their official website, also you will find a lot of mocks. In the next 48 hours, give a mock. Let yourself score really less, but at least try to get acquainted with the type of examination that you wish to sit for. And that in itself will be the first step towards your preparation of CLAT 2027. And if you can stick to whatever I've told you, I don't think that there is a reason why you will not be able to go to your dream law school. You absolutely will be able to do that. Thank you very much.